p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gandy Bridge, moving west at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats could sustain significant damage or capsize. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Gandy Bridge, Old Tampa Bay, Howard Franklin Bridge, Tampa Bay, Cockroach Bay, Hillsborough Bay, and Courtney Campbell Causeway. A special weather statement.